Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. To strengthen Jamaica's MSME sector, the Small Business Association of Jamaica, the MSME Alliance, and the Young Entrepreneurs Association of Jamaica have agreed to jointly develop and promote a coordinated policy agenda aimed at driving inclusive growth and development. The decision follows discussions among the leadership of the three organizations, which they say signals a move toward a more unified and structured approach to policy advocacy and implementation. SBAJ President Garnet Reed said the partnership highlighted the importance of unity in strengthening the sector's lobbying power. For her part, Cordell Williams, president of YEA, said the collaboration was expected to enhance the sector's impact on national policy making. President of the MSME Alliance, Antoinette Houghton, added that the joint effort was expected to create a stronger, more coordinated platform for engaging policymakers. For the trading period of April 13, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 8,513,651 units, comprising 28.08% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 4,471,813 units, representing 14.22% of market sales activities. Supreme Ventures Limited with 3,843,167 units, representing 12.22% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in manufacturing, solar energy, and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for April 13, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.89 and buying at $159.09. Moderate gains for the Canadian dollar, supported by 26-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.10 and was bought for $115.36. Continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities for the British pound of $6.09 in profits for the bank. The British pound sold for $209.05 and was bought for $215.14. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing, currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, we have been looking at why there are times you don't need your credit report. And this is where the strategic use of margin loans require discipline and risk awareness. While margin loans offer flexibility, they must be used carefully. Why? Because they're backed by your investments. So the up and down market fluctuations of the stock market or the bond market can reduce your portfolio value and trigger a margin call in which the bank says, listen, you need to top up your collateral. This may force you to sell assets. Also, think about interest costs because they apply. So the advantage becomes how to use the tool strategically. So you want to maintain a strong portfolio, you want to borrow conservatively, and ensure that the capital you access is used for productive reasons. And that's it for today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.